How to redeem codes in Dragon City. Now, code redemption on Dragon City can only be done once, which means this is only for new users who have just created an account with Dragon City. Now just simply access the game and then just make sure that you're logged into your account. Next thing to do is locate the gear icon at the top right portion of your screen and then head over directly to the support tab. Now once you have tapped on support tab, just simply search for rewards and then choose any results from the screen. Then here what you want to do next, was this article helpful? Just simply type in no and just go ahead with chat with us. Now in here you just have to state that you are gonna redeem the code for the first time and then just simply input the code that you haven't redeemed yet. And that's the only thing that we can do for us to be able to redeem a code in Dragon City.